This is Nazir Ali at our construction site on Vel R Phillips. And this is not just a construction site. Here, this will be home to 500 scholars where every day we fulfill our mission of going to and through college. Let's take a look. I'm standing in our gym, and as you can see, it's very busy around here. I hear they're about to start painting soon. College Decision Day is in just 1 month. I can't wait to see what College Decision Day will look like in this gymnasium a year from now. I'm looking out of one of our second floor classrooms, and I gotta say, I'm excited to be neighbors with Drive-On Collaborative. I'm standing in our state-of-the-art recording studio, and as you can see, they've already taken steps to soundproof the room. This has been Nazir Ali here at our construction site on Vel R Phillips. See you next week.